students, now next lecture, lecture number 22 from topic bioinorganic chemistry, subtopic nitrogen fixation. Now let's see what is meant by first nitrogen fixation. Definition of nitrogen fixation: the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen, that is N2 form, into useful nitrogen compound by a natural or artificial way or method is known as fixation of nitrogen. ॲटमॉस्फेअरमध्ये जो नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट आहे तो फ्री स्टेटमध्ये म्हणजे N2 फॉर्ममध्ये त्याला सुटेबल फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करणं नॅचरली किंवा आर्टिफिशियली या प्रोसेसला म्हणायचं नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. The development of agriculture, industries, etc. is largely depend upon the supply of cheap nitrogen compounds. For that purpose, it is necessary to fix the nitrogen. So it is highly important. Fixation of nitrogen is highly important from the industrial agriculture point of view. या दोघांनाही स्वस्तातला नायट्रोजन मिळवण्याची अत्यंत गरज असते, त्यामुळे नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशनची महत्त्वाची गरज आहे. Now let's see what is the need for nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen content of the soil is decided the fertility of the soil. Fertile soil contains nitrogen mostly in the form of nitrates, nitrites, ammonium salt, urea, etc. जमिनीमध्ये असलेला नायट्रोजन हा नायट्रेट्स, नायट्राइट्स, अमोनियम सॉल्ट, युरिया या फॉर्ममध्ये असतो. तर किती प्रमाणात जमिनीमध्ये नायट्रोजन आहे त्यावरनं त्या जमिनीचा पोत कसा आहे तो काढला जातो. म्हणजे ती जमीन फर्टाईल आहे किती प्रमाणात आहे हे ठरवलं जातं. द नायट्रोजन कंटेंट ऑफ द सॉइल डिक्रीजेस ड्यू टू द फॉलोइंग रिझन. तर हे नायट्रोजन कंटेंट जे की जमिनीमध्ये आहेत ते कमी कमी व्हायला लागतात. ते का कमी होतात तर हे त्याचे रिझन आहे. म्हणून का नीड ऑफ नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन का आहे या कारणांमुळे आहे. ॲब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ नायट्रोजन कंपाऊंड फ्रॉम द सॉइल वॉटर बाय रूट ऑफ प्लांट्स जमिनीतला नायट्रोजन ॲब्सॉर्ब करतात, हे एक पहिलं कारण आहे. दुसरं, कन्वर्जन ऑफ नायट्रोजन कंपाऊंड फ्रॉम सॉइल इनटू फ्री नायट्रोजन विच एस्केप टू द ॲटमॉस्फिअर. जमिनीतला सुटेबल फॉर्ममधला नायट्रोजन हा फ्री स्टेट नायट्रोजनमध्ये कन्वर्ट होणं जो की ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये जातो. दिस कन्वर्जन इज इफेक्टेड बाय सम बॅक्टेरिया. तर डिनायट्रिफाईंग बॅक्टेरिया काय करतात, जमिनीतला सुटेबल फॉर्ममध्ये असलेला नायट्रोजन म्हणजेच नायट्राइट्स, नायट्रेट्स, अमोनियम सॉल्ट, युरिया या फॉर्ममधल्या नायट्रोजनचं काय करतात, डिनायट्रिफिकेशन करून N2 फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करतात आणि हा N2 फॉर्म ॲटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये सोडला जातो. यामुळं सुद्धा नायट्रोजनचं सॉईलमधलं प्रमाण कमी होतं. तिसरं रिझन, वेस्टेज ऑफ नायट्रोजन कंपाऊंड ड्यू टू ड्रेनेज बाय सरफेस वॉटर टू सी. आणि रेनी सीझनमध्ये जमिनीवर वाहणाऱ्या पाण्यामुळे सुद्धा काय होतं, नायट्रोजनचं प्रमाण कमी होत जातं. तर ड्यू टू दिस थ्री रिझन द अमाउंट content of nitrogen in the soil get decreases and this is the need why nitrogen should get fixed. Due to these three reasons, there is usually some shortage of nitrogen compound in the soil. A large amount of nitrogen is available in the atmosphere, but plant cannot directly utilize it because it is highly unreactive and stable. N2 form जरी atmosphere मुबलक प्रमाणात प्रेझेंट असला तरीही प्लांट तो घेऊ शकत नाही, कारण तो स्टेबल आहे आणि हायली अनरिॲक्टिव्ह आहे. Hence the loss of nitrogen of the soil get fulfilled by addition of nitrogen compound in the form of fertilizer to the soil. म्हणून नायट्रोजनची कमतरता भरून काढण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, फर्टिलायझरचा वापर करतो, म्हणजेच आपण खत ॲड करतो. It is necessary, therefore it is necessary to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogen compound or in the other words to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. म्हणून ॲटमॉस्फेरिक मधला नायट्रोजन म्हणजे N2 फॉर्मला सुटेबल फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करण्याची गरज आहे. यालाच म्हणायचं नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. नाव मेथड ऑफ नायट्रोजन फिक्सेशन कुठल्या पद्धतीने होऊ शकतं. फिक्सेशन ऑफ नायट्रोजन इज डन बाय टू मेथड, namely artificial fixation or vitro fixation and natural fixation or vivo fixation. Now let's see artificial fixation. Nitrogen can be artificially fixed by the following process. Atmospheric मधला नायट्रोजन हा फिक्स करणं म्हणजे सुटेबल फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करणं. पहिला प्रोसेस आर्टिफिशियली आपण कसं करू शकतो तर फिक्सेशन इंटू अमोनिया म्हणजे N2 ला अमोनियामध्ये convert करणं. So by using Haber-Bosch process, this process is used for the production of ammonia. Now in this method, the mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen in the ratio of 1:3 is compressed under the pressure of 200 atmosphere and pass over a catalyst at the temperature above 550 degrees Celsius. By using this reaction or carry out this reaction, we can produce ammonia, which is a suitable form of nitrogen which can be utilized by plants. So by fixation into ammonia, you can fix atmospheric nitrogen. By second way, fixation as a calcium cyanide. So calcium cyanide is obtained when nitrogen gas is passed over calcium carbide and heated to about 1000 degrees Celsius. Now this is the reaction where we get nitrogen as a cyanide format. So this is the second method, artificial method, we can fix nitrogen. The mixture of this calcium cyanide and carbon is actually used as a fertilizer under the name nitrogen. Now third method is fixation as a nitric acid, which is having the name Buckland and ED process. So these are the name of scientists which use this process for the friction of nitrogen as a nitric acid. So now in this process, the reaction is carried out in the following ways, where atmospheric nitrogen is allowed to react with oxygen present in the atmosphere. There is a formation of nitrous oxide takes place. This nitrous oxide in a presence of excess oxygen gives nitrite, NO2. Nitrite react with water and there is a formation of nitric acid takes place. These two are the suitable form which can be used by plant. So this is the third method where N2 fixed as a nitric acid. Now fixation of nitrogen by natural method. Now last one are the fixation of nitrogen by artificial method. Now these are the natural methods where first one is a by lightning discharge. म्हणजेच विजा जेव्हा चमकतात तेव्हा under the influence of lightning discharge, the nitrogen and oxygen present in the air combine to form nitric oxide. Now here N2 plus O2 in presence of lightning discharge form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide in presence of excess oxygen get oxidized to nitrogen pentoxide. This nitrogen pentoxide then react with water and there is a formation of nitric acid takes place. Now this nitric acid washed down by rainwater to the soil where nitric acid react with limestone which are present in the soil and alkaline substances present in the soil and there is a formation of nitrates takes place. Now these are the reaction involved during the lightning discharge. In this way, by using natural method, we can fix nitrogen, that is N2 form, into the nitrate forms. Now by using nitrifying bacteria, this is again another natural method. By using nitrifying bacteria, for example, rhizobium, these bacteria are present on the leguminous root of the leguminous plant such as bee, gram, beans, clover, etc., where they fix the nitrogen into the suitable form. Now next one is the azobacter. These are the aerobic bacteria that is in presence of oxygen. They play their role. Clostridium. These are the anaerobic bacteria in presence of oxygen. They can fix the nitrogen. In addition to these bacteria, certain blue-green algae such as Nostoc and Anaebina can also fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Nowadays, these algae can be considered under the class of bacteria. So it has been observed that the nitrifying bacteria require traces of certain metal like molybdenum, FeCO, etc. to fix the nitrogen. All these bacteria take the help of this metal ion with the help of enzymes such as nitrogenase. So nitrogenase which contain this metal ion in the form of FeMO cluster and where these are the weight and these are the amount of Fe 24 to 36 32 atoms of Fe is present, and now by using this cluster they can fix the nitrogen. As leguminous plant contain nitrifying bacteria into their roots, growing of such leguminous plant in the field is helpful because it helps in increasing the nitrogen content of the soil. So it is necessary to grow leguminous plant in our field. For this reason, the particular field is grow different crops in the rotation, growing of